So I just talked about kind of dysfunctional romantic relationships where the relationship is up and down, it's in a cycle, and how we are connected through the unhealed trauma to our partner, hence the dysfunction. And so I talked about, childhood fantasies. We're projecting that onto our partner. He or she is supposed to fulfill that. And secondly, we take on a role that is not a partner role. We take on a role of a parent. We become a parent to our child. We begin to manage their emotions. We begin to manage their whole life. Does that ring a bell? A spouse says, oh, my spouse never works out. My spouse does not listen. He does not do this. She does not do that. So that's an invitation to really let go of he, she, and change it to I. What's going on with you? Why there's so much focus on your partner instead of the focus on you? That's a focus that's well worth it because you can actually do something with it. I have to keep looking at the time because I'm only doing these 3-minute quick clips. So if you see my eyes wandering. And in intimate relationships, when the trauma has not healed, we bring into the relationship the fear of abandonment to begin with. So because of that fear of abandonment, we do all kind of things to manipulate, to control. And because there was abandonment in the childhood that we never got over because a parent abandoned us or, different stories. So, and we get triggered very quickly. We get triggered at the little of things because there's so many wounds on the psychological space. Our psyche is so wounded, right? That everybody around you has to walk like they're walking on eggshells. So, wisdom of triggers, tune into that what is triggering you. You are ready to now look at and heal that. Pay attention to that. There's information there for you. There's healing there for you. So tomorrow, I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but June 21st, if you watch it before then, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm doing a free webinar on wisdom of triggers. Don't want to miss it. Come and join us. If you have a question, put it under this video. We'll do our best. We are taking in all the questions and do our best to respond to those questions. But you'll also have a chance to ask questions. We can answer as many as we can. And then I'm going to reveal the course that I have curated for you to gain emotional freedom. It's going to be based on my second book, Wake Up and Heal, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. So take a look at all the links, register. It is free. Even if the time is a conflict, register anyways, so you get the replays.